For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
There is a huge relief for COVID-19 patients in Delhi. Union Home Ministry has recommended slashing of COVID-19 treatment costs. The cost of isolation beds and ICU beds are likely to be lowered. The prices of isolation beds are likely to be slashed to nearly half. The price of intensive care unit beds without ventilators have been fixed at 13,000 to 15,000 rupees. The price of intensive care unit beds with ventilators have been fixed at 15,000 to 18,000 rupees. The Union Home Ministry tweeted its recommendations. As per the directions given by Home Minister Shri Amit Shah in a series of meetings chaired by him over last few days in regard to COVID-19 situation in Delhi, house-to-house health survey in 242 containment zones of Delhi completed yesterday. A total of 2.3 lakh people were surveyed. On directions of Home Minister Amit Shah to increase testing capacity and quick delivery of results in Delhi, testing via rapid antigen testing methodology was started yesterday. 7,040 people have been tested in 193 testing centers. Testing will continue with increased numbers in coming days. Sample testing has been doubled immediately in pursuance of decisions taken by Home Minister Amit Shah in series of meetings. A total of testing samples of 27,263 have been collected in Delhi from 15th to 17 June 2020 against the daily collection, which varied between 4,000 to 4,500 earlier. Committee has recommended 8,000 to 10,000 rupees, 13,000 to 15,000 rupees and 15,000 to 18,000 rupees, including PPE costs for isolation bed, ICUs without and with ventilator respectively, to all hospitals as compared to the current charges of 24,000 to 25,000 rupees, 34,000 to 43,000 rupees and 44,000 to 54,000 rupees excluding PPE cost. To provide relief to the common man in Delhi, Home Minister Amit Shah constituted a committee under member of Niti Aayog to fix rates charged by private hospitals in Delhi for isolation beds, ICUs without ventilator support and ICUs with ventilator support. The decision comes after a series of meetings convened by the Union Home Ministry. Home Minister Amit Shah held meetings with Chief Minister Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal. Drastic steps are being taken in Delhi to contain the spread of coronavirus. Recently, the Supreme Court had pulled up the Delhi government over its handling of the situation. Delhi is the third worst affected state in the country.